I was deep cleaning my office setup and decided to wash my custom keycaps. After rinsing them, I laid them out to dry, but I was impatient and wanted to get back to work. I used a heat gun to blast away the remaining water droplets, but I forgot that the keycaps have a low melting point. Within seconds, the legend on the spacebar slumped sideways, and half the top row warped into distorted blobs. Over half the set is ruined, and I have to wait a week for a replacement set to ship. I'm left with a functional keyboard base and no usable keys. I should have just let them air dry.